I don't even know.
Jokes aside, I was in one is that, and I was like, once I'm finishing this, I'm going back for it. So yeah, hello besties, have you been? I've been very soon, okay? If you're new here, welcome. My name's Steph's Bloom, and yeah, stick around. I just promise you that you're gonna have fun over here, okay? So today, literally planning even to start with my workout sessions, and then later on, I'm planning to go to watch Michael Jackson's movie. It's gonna be a solo date, of course. So apparently, I think should I show you my outfit? Yeah, it looks Michael Jackson movie. I made the reservation around 5 p.m. So that means that I have to be, as in to start my glam around 2, because it took me almost 2 hours to get ready. Yeah, so now I'm rushing to the gym. I will work out probably 1 hour, yeah, and then come back, take shower, have breakfast, then later on, then yeah, we'll go into my glam sessions. So yeah, but don't worry, stick around, we're gonna do the whole thing together. So yeah, now I'm gonna grab my green juice, and I'm trying to eat healthy because this is one of my goals this year. So I basically start with detoxing juice, which is a green juice in the morning, and then later on, like 30 minutes, then I take like something to cover that, because it's detoxing. If you don't have something after that, you might end up getting ulcers, which I did a few years ago, and now I know better. So I'm just gonna have that, and after that I will have banana, and then we hit the gym. So yeah, here the juice, guys. If just in case you want to know what it is, it's spinach, cucumber, ginger, apples. I was supposed to use pineapple, but I didn't find one, so yeah, I use those. Freezing. It's very cold. Finally, yes. Well, I prefer to use a straw, because with a straw it's easier for me, as in to drink it faster. Because when I drink it as like a normal juice, like with a glass only, I don't think I can take it. As in, I don't think I can be consistent with it, because it's not that sweet, enjoyable kind of drinks that you take. You get. So with a straw, it make it easier for me, and it's like, then it's done. Then, as you see, I grabbed my banana, but I'm not gonna take it right now. I'm just gonna put it in my bag, and after 30 minutes, then I will take it.
Oops. Yeah, I know you saw that. Don't start BBL allegations. I promise it's only gym, okay? It's only gym. Yeah, but honestly, jokes aside, as in one of my best workout sessions that I enjoy is heavy lifting. I really enjoy it. It's painful, it's hard, but I love the whole process about it. I love that pain, but one of my worst workout sessions that I hate is abs. I really hate abs. It's like the moment that I know that this is gonna be abs day, yeah, I start panicking right away. It's I'm not gonna say it, okay? I wish I could have workouts as in Monday to Friday, because I love the whole thing when I'm working out. Like me, when I'm working out in the gym, it's not only about physical, it's about like how I feel. Like I feel very powerful. I feel like I'm on top of the world. I feel like I can do whatever I want in life. Because of that pain that I'm fighting in the gym, it's pushed me to feel very positive about life, about to see how resilient that I am. So yeah, it's beyond physical for me, honestly. It was a good day, by the way, last in leg day. So as you see here, I was actually doing my last set, because here I was fighting for my life, honestly. I was tired. My brain was like, but if I get out in this place. But I was like, no, I have to finish what I started. Was my last set. And I was like, once I'm finishing this, I'm going back. Wait, you're gonna see, like, when I finish, how it's gonna be, because I was on the edge, you know.
I'm done. I am done. I'm finished.
Yep, it's me.
Don't say it's video. I worked for it, seven.
Let's pretend as if you didn't see that, okay? So as you see, I got home and I jumped right away in the kitchen trying to make my breakfast. And this is one of the most time that I'm looking forward after working out session, because I love to treat myself after working out session. I prefer to serve myself great, well-served meals and healthy. Yes. So here I was just making a fruit salad for me. And yeah, just pretend I didn't see that. And fast. Listen, I promise that I'm not distracted. Yeah, I'm trying to focus. By the way, I don't even know what I was looking for. Yeah. Oh, it was eggs. Okay, yeah, I was going to make my scrambled egg. Yeah. Sorry. And I have a specific way that I love to make them. I use cheese, eggs, and what else? Deep fried onions and bit salt. Yeah, and that's it. I really don't like when my eggs are dry. I like my scrambled eggs kind of juicy. Yeah, I just don't like when eggs are dry. Yeah, it's tasteless for me. So I like mine juicy. By the way, it's even very easy to make. I bet that I spend less than 5 seconds by making them. Yeah.
You see, and what I usually do, just gonna add some of this. Add some of this. Then this is how I want my eggs. I don't know if you find it weird, but I mean, I just hate like scrambled egg when they are dry. I don't like it. Just when it's juicy, some cheese on it, and voila, it's done. So yeah, this is the breakfast. Scrambled egg with paprika, fruit salad, protein milk, and the girl's happy. So let's go and have a bite, and then yeah.
Get ready for the experience.
This is the outfit. Now let's go.
So yes, now I'm heading to the cinema, but I don't even know how I'm gonna travel. I don't know which way, but I think I have to check on my phone. And yeah, if I'm being honest, guys, I know my look pretty and good, but if I'm being honest, like I don't even see what is going on outside these glasses, because all I see is red. Everything is red now, I swear to God. But yeah, sure, let's go. Movie's done. That was really enjoyable, guys. Yes, really had fun, honestly. Yes, guys, I'm done watching my horror movie. It was really enjoyable, honestly. If you like, I highly recommend to go and watch it in the theater. Yeah, I wish they like it was long. It was 2 hours, but I felt like it was almost like 30 minutes. I was still enjoying to see, like, okay, let's go. I mean, now let's go back home. Okay. Guys, yeah, I was telling you,
giving you the review actually. Yeah, I put back my glasses. If I'm being honest, that movie was fire and was really great. Like, it was really amazing.
So I was giving the feedback. The Michael Jackson movie, yeah, it's worth the hype. And if you haven't watched it yet, I'm highly recommend to go and watch it in the theaters. Really enjoyable. Yeah. I'm feeling myself. I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm going back home. I was thinking if I should continue and maybe go somewhere else to grab something like, but again, I don't know. I think I should go back home and do some other stuff instead. But yeah, now on my way home. See you when you see me.